no! How do I find the mean, the standard deviation, and the median for my mushroom research? I just don't know. Someone, please help me! Don't worry, Mr. Farmer. Why? Because Powerpuff Girls are here. How can we help you? Oh, Powerpuff Girls, I really don't know how to find the mean, the standard deviation, and the median for my mushroom research. All I have is this. Oh, this is more than enough, Mr. Farmer. Don't worry, our Afiqah here is an expert at finding the mean and the standard deviation.
Every problem must have secret keys in order to get the problem solved. Key number 1 is the key to find the mean. Sum of fx divided by n, where f is the frequency, x is the midpoint, and n is the total frequency. So, let us apply this formula by using the raw data given. First, we have to determine the midpoint of each interval by adding the upper class limit and lower class limit, then divide the answer by 2. Repeat this step for the other interval. Second, these midpoints must then be multiplied by the frequencies of the corresponding intervals. Here, the frequency is the number of mushrooms. Third, the sum of the products, which is 1968, will be divided by the total frequency. Total frequency is the total number of mushrooms from all intervals, which is 66. And tada! 29.82 is the mean of this data. Key number 2 is the key to find the standard deviation. Here is the formula. Looks complicated, right? But don't worry, I got you. Previously, we already know what is f, x, and n. In this case, we only need to add one thing, which is sum of fx squared. We have to do the same as previous calculation to find fx, but change the x into x squared. Then, we will get the sum of fx squared, which is 60,714. So, let us apply the formula with the data we got. Sum of fx squared is 60,714. Sum of fx is 1968 and n is 66. We got 31.26, which is the variance of this data. Hence, in order to get the standard deviation, we need to move the power of 2 and make it a square root of 31.26. Till we finally get the answer 5.59 for the standard deviation. Yay! We are done solving these two problems by using our two secret keys.
Wow, I didn't know that finding the mean and the standard deviation was this simple, but I still don't know how to find the median.
Don't worry, Mr. Farmer, Bubble Zafira will save the day. I can help you to find the median by using ogive graph. To sketch ogive graph, we need to find the upper class boundary and cumulative frequency values. Okay, now let's see. The data you gave us was the temperature and the number of mushroom. We know that the number of mushroom is our frequency. So now let's find the upper class boundary step by step. To get the upper class boundary, we need to use this formula, which is upper limit of current interval plus lower limit of next interval divided by 2. We can use this formula to get our upper class boundary, and we will get 25.5, 30.5, 35.5, 40.5, 45.5, and 50.5. Now, how to find the cumulative frequency? It's easy as peanut and sweet as me, bubble. We just need to accumulate the frequency. First value is 15, and next is 15 plus 25, we get 40, 40 plus 17, we get 57, 57 plus 6, we get 63, 63 plus 2, we get 65, and 65 plus 1, we get 66. Yay! Now we have found the important parts of ogive. Okay, without wasting time, let's sketch the graph. For vertical line, we need to set it as cumulative frequency, and the horizontal line, we set it as temperature. We need to set the upper class boundary at the horizontal line that we get. So that is how you sketch the ogive graph. But wait, we are not finished yet. We need to find the median. But how to find the position of median from the graph? The formula is total frequency divided by 2. That means 66 divided by 2 and we'll get 33. Plot the position and do this. Look, the position at the frequency is 29. Thus, the estimated median for our graph is 29.
Oh, I get it. Thank you so much, Powerpuff Girls. Now I know how to describe my data properly.
No problem,
problem,
Mr. Farmer.